positive structure of could have, subject plus could have plus be plus object. Examples क्या है? You could have called me. तुम्ही मला कॉल करू शकला असता. तुम्ही मला कॉल करू शकला असता. Could have is a modal verb and showing the past ability of can. Then negative sentence. Negative sentence structure subject plus could plus not plus have plus be plus object. Examples, you could not have called me. तुम्ही मला कॉल करू शकले नसते. Then question, again make a question, start from could, then subject, then take a have, V3 and related object. Start from could, subject you, then take a subject of you, then have, V3 called, then V last, take a question mark. Could you have called me? तुम्ही मला कॉल करू शकले असते का? Could you have called me? तुम्ही मला कॉल करू शकले असते का? Negative question, could plus subject plus not plus have plus be plus object. Could you not have called me? तुम्ही मला कॉल करू शकले नसते का? यहाँ पे आपको सिर्फ नॉट का यूज करना है. जैसे हम टेंस बनाते हैं वैसे आपको मॉडल वर्ब का भी सेंटेंस सेम बनाना है. could plus could के आगे आपको क्या लेना है? सब्जेक्ट लेना है. उसके आगे आपको नॉट का यूज करना है. देन हैव यूज करना है. कॉल मी. तुम्ही मला कॉल करू शकले नाही नसते का? इथं नसते का? ठीक आहे. तुम्ही मला कॉल करू शकले नसते का? Okay. Then see the positive would have sentence. Positive structure of would have. Subject plus would have plus be plus object. Meaning in Marathi करू शकले असते, खाऊ शकले असते, पिऊ शकले असते. Then would showing the they would have invited you. त्यांनी तुला आमंत्रित केले असते. त्यांनी तुला आमंत्रित केले असते. They would have invited you. त्यांनी तुला आमंत्रित केले असते. Showing the past ability. Then negative sentence, subject plus would plus not plus have plus be plus object. They would not have invited you. त्यांनी तुला आमंत्रित केले नसते. They would not, सिर्फ आपको यहाँ पे not का यूज करना है. They would not have invited you. त्यांनी तुला आमंत्रित केले नसते. Then question, start from would, subject, then take a have plus be plus related object. Would they have invited you? त्यांनी तुला आमंत्रित केले असते का? Would they have invited you? त्यांनी तुला आमंत्रित केले असते का? Then how can make a negative question? Start from would, subject, then take a not, have, V3 plus related object. Last take a question mark. Then would they not have invited you? त्यांनी तुला आमंत्रित केले नसते का? त्यांनी तुला आमंत्रित केले नसते का? Now and last one is should have sentence. Positive structure, subject plus should plus have plus be plus object. They should have told the truth. त्यांनी खरं सांगायला हवं होते. They should have told the truth. Should have means करायला पाहिजे. Okay. First example, they should have told the truth. त्यांनी खरं सांगायला हवं होतं. Negative sentence, structure, subject plus should plus not plus have plus be plus related object. Examples, they should not have told the truth. त्यांनी खरं सांगायला नव्हतं पाहिजे. Then question, start from should, subject, have with the related object. Let's take a question mark. Then should, subject, they have told the truth. Okay. Should they have told the truth? त्यांनी खरं सांगायला पाहिजे होतं का? Negative questions, should, start from should, then subject, not, have, V3 plus object. Should they not have told the truth? त्यांनी खरं सांगायला पाहिजे होतं का? Should they not have told the truth? त्यांनी खरं सांगायला पाहिजे नव्हतं का?